What is up, everyone? This is Motorola, and today I'm going to show you how to fix the Xbox error code 0x87e0000f. So those are your answers. So this is basically like the Xbox app on your Windows device where the Xbox download fails, and I'm going to show you what to do to fix this. So there's a few ways to fix this. The first thing you can do is go to your search bar and type in network connections until you see this pop up. In here, you want to right click into whichever one you're connected into. So I'm connected via Ethernet, and then go to properties. In here, you want to find where it says Internet Protocol version 4, TCP/IPv4, and then go to properties. In here, you want to change your section from automatic to manual, which is the second one at the bottom, and then change it to preferred DNS to 1.1.1.1 and alternate to 1.0.0.1. Press OK. Press close, and now try to download whatever game or application you're trying to download on the Xbox app. You should be good to go. If it still doesn't work, the next thing to do is go to your search bar, type in Xbox, right click into this, go to app settings, and in here you're going to see this basically pop up. In here, you're going to do a few things. First, terminate it to turn the app back on and see if this starts to download. If not, then repair it, because this is basically going to make sure everything is like working properly, in a sense like a kind of like a reinstall. And then the last thing is reset. It's going to delete everything in the app. There's nothing much. Maybe the games might get deleted, so just an FYI there. But this is going to delete the app in a sense, like make sure everything's gone, and then try again, and then go from there. So if you try these steps, you should be good to go once you do these, and you should not have this error persist any longer. So yeah, that's basically it. If you guys have a video, please press up, go on the channel, make sure to subscribe, click that notification bell, and I'm Motro's out. Peace.